Hello. So in this question we have to prove that this must be equal to this. Okay. So the question is like tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Okay. So we have to prove this. Okay. So what we can do, we can consider the LHS. Okay. So in this in the LHS side we have tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A 1 minus tan A. Okay, so how we are going to solve this question? Like, first of all we have to convert this cot in terms of tan. Okay, so that we can solve this expression further in order to get the exact result, like 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to convert the cot A terms in terms of tan A. Okay, so we can also write this expression as tan A upon 1 minus, so cot A can be written as 1 upon tan A, so 1 upon tan A plus here cot A can be written as 1 upon tan A or divide by 1 minus tan A. Okay, so now we have to take this LCM. So after taking the LCM, what is going to be, so suppose that here the LCM must be tan A and tan A will go to the upper side, so it must be tan square A upon tan A minus 1. Okay, so just simple, I have taken the LCM. Okay, now minus 1 upon tan A as it is 1 upon tan A. Okay, so here it is plus. Why I have minus? Because see, so here it is tan A minus 1. Okay, so here it is 1 minus tan A. So in order to get the same terms, we can take the minus from this side, like minus common from this, so it can be tan A minus 1. Okay, so tan A minus 1, so minus comes out. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to solve this question, this expression further. So now from this we can take the 1 upon tan A minus 1 as a common. Okay, so 1 upon tan A minus 1 we have taken the common. So what is going to be inside, like, so suppose here it is tan square A minus 1 upon tan A. So after that we are going to take the LCM, so it must be tan cube A minus 1 upon, and in the denominator we are going to get tan A. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to further solve this. Okay, so here we can see the tan cube A minus 1. Okay, so here we can write A cube minus B cube. Okay, so we have to use the identity. So what is A cube minus B cube? A minus B multiply by A square plus B square plus AB. Okay, so we are going to use that identity, so it can be further written as 1 upon tan A minus 1. Okay, and inside this I have used the identity. Okay, so what it will be, A minus B. Okay, and here A square plus B square plus AB. Okay, so A must be like tan square A plus tan A. Okay, plus 1. Okay, so that means A square plus B square plus AB. Okay, and divide by, so here tan A is left, so I have written the tan A. Okay, so here this term is going to cancel from this. Okay, so now we can write this term like, see, if we are going to split this into three parts, like, so tan square A upon tan A must be tan A plus tan A upon tan A must be 1 plus 1 upon tan A must be cot A. So okay, so what is cot A? So hence it is going to be proved. So what is the result? Tan A plus 1 plus cot A, and what we have to prove? 1 plus tan A plus cot A. So hence this question is solved. Okay, so basically what we have to do, we have to simplify the question. Okay, and how we are going to get a good command on this question, like if you are going to solve the variety of question, you are going to get a good command. Okay, so thank you.